Remember what I've told you? Up and down, up and down. Have you got a clog on?
That's all.
Come on, you can do it.
I know, it's just that it's splattered, that's all. I just
Okay.
find a reason as to why.
Right, go on back of your glove. Are you spitting? No, you're clean. That's it, don't go back, keep coming forward. That's it, keep coming forward, that's it mate. That's it, increase your strokes now. That's it. Lovely job. That's it, yeah, keep coming. Doing great, doing great. Yeah, got a good paint, excellent. That's it, keep coming, nice long strokes. Don't go over the same bit. So this is Mark, we're down at club this morning and Mark's doing some bottom of his F4. Just sort of pre-panel lined it as well and done some highlights. And we're using the Bartsharp 180 today, which is one of the club's airbrushes. Looking pretty good there mate. Start back up your other wingtip. Keep it going. That's it, yeah, okay. Back of the glove, sorting well. Keep moving that hand up, keep going up the bird now, up towards belly. It might take 4 coats this, Mark. What you can't do mate, you can't get dragged into just concentrating on a 1-inch spot.
No,
you've got to keep it moving. You've got to keep it moving.
That is starting to look good.
That is starting to look good, that, yeah. You've got a good distance in there, mate. So beautiful. So what we're on here, we're on about 18 psi on a nice thin coat. Yeah, lovely that bud. Looking really good.
I like that.
Now what I want you to do now is angle the bird slightly differently. So point the nose sort of east to west and go up and down now, Mark, so that you're cross layering your paint, mate. Nice big, when you get to your wing area, nice big long strokes. Keep that distance at a good sort of 3 or 4 inch, and we're painting with a fine mist, don't forget. So right, go on, get your send off. Keep moving that, right, keep going, up and down, that's it, keep it going bud. Lovely job, that's brilliant. Keep going. Excellent. Spot on mate. That's better. Yeah, keep it going, all the way to the back. Excellent job. And we've got the Bartsharp airbrush spray booth here doing its job, you can hear that. Beautiful. Now then, I'm going to ask you, how far do you think, what do you think? Another coat? Do you think you're done? What do you reckon?
I think I'd be done.
Yeah, I think it's done mate. I think it's absolutely bonza. Yeah, superb. Absolutely superb. Yeah, go on, you can touch it up if you want. Back of the glove, always back of the glove. Okay, nice and steady. Now you've put your distance away a little bit, which is good because you don't want to flood it. You just need that little bit. So go on, keep going, you just need a little bit. You might want to do it in an L shape, Mark. Down and across. That's it, yeah, don't be frightened to move your hand about, mate. I'll probably do a little bit, just a touch, but don't flood it, don't concentrate on the area, move it round. And then in fact, yeah, got just that little bit in middle, mate. Just where we sort of panel highlighted here. Just a fine mist. That's it, mate. Brilliant job. Superb. Absolutely bang on that, mate. Absolutely bang on.
Happy with that.
You should be happy with that. Wondered what that noise was. Hee hee.